now. Just connect to them. You are waiting. While are you waiting there? I like your voice. What kind of voice? Why you say so? Why you like my voice? Is it good? Siyempre good siguro yan. Rickman, mix vlog, tusok, team Puyaters. O nga eh. Yan na talaga ang aking binantayan ng gabi. Yeah. Thank you so much. Appreciated, RD Marshall, your compliment about my voice. A voice. Sundahan ko ang sexing mo. Salamat, Lulan, kids. Just wait for your turn, guys. Just stay and I will be there. Ayun, lumabas na ang maganda na host. Uy, sa araw-araw nating pagkikita, Rickman. Nandun ka sa sexy ko, nandito ka kay madiskarting nanay. So, hindi ka pa ba nagsasawa sa pagmumukha ko? Hindi ka pa ba nagsasawa sa pagmumukha na ito? Yes, ko Lord. Ayan, still watching kay paring Wilson. Kahit alam kong nasa work mode siya. Work mode. Midnight Butterfly RD Marshall, disconnect. Yes, disconnect. Are you doing live stream, RD Marshall? You can earn your watch hour by doing live streaming every day, every now and then. Ay, Madagascar pala tawag dyan sa halaman na yan. Ngayon ko lang alam. Kumusta ang weather condition? What is the weather condition there at Quezon Province, Midnight Butterfly? Is it sunny day, rainy day, windy day, or both? All of the above. Ay, punta na natin si Lulaan Kids, guys. May bago tayo dyan. Umalis din agad. It's raining thunder. Oh, no. I don't like thunder. I don't like thunder. I like only the rain. Pawala-wala ang signal dito. Sa amin, hindi nawawala ang signal kasi taga-signal ako, no? Lucian Warren's World. Miguel out shout out si Lucy Warren's World. Ay, sinisipon ako, guys. Kaya ako, winawala ko lang yung aking nararamdaman. No? Lucy said Midnight Butterfly. You can greet one another by saying hi, hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you, goodbye. So, dan ako kay Wilson. Paring Wilson, thank you so much. Sana matino ang signal mamaya. Okay lang na, hindi matino ang signal. Importante, matino pang tao, no? Pag hindi na matino ang kaisipan ng bawat isa, sigurado, luko-luko lang lahat. Lahat tayo mga ing-ing. Mali pa yung spelling ko dyan, no? Good vibes ko. Dan, paring Wilson. Okay lang yan. Si Mimi Bear, Katibantay, agil na tapos na ako. Mabilya Vlogs, hindi na nagtuloy si Mabilya si Coostado. Nandito pa kaway-kaway. Yan, Journey SJ. Mamaya na kita puntahan. Raining all over the Philippines almost. Yan na, ipipin ko na sino ba nauna sa inyo, Lulaan Kids? Lucy Gorilla, bad weather. Talagang weather na niya na yan. Always bad because the weather is the season today is rainy day. That's why salamat kami sa rainy season na yan dahil dyan kami nabubuhay noon sa larangan ng pagtatanim ng palay sa probinsya. Yan ang inaasahan namin. para makapagtanim ng another consume ng palay for the whole year. So, the rainy season